Hello everyone, I'm Vadim. I'm a video tech specialist here at Nagios, and today we're going to continue on our series called Building the Ultimate XI. This is going to be episode 2, where we're going to go over notification settings so you can get notified as soon as there's an alert. Now, let's get started. In the previous episode, we downloaded Nagios XI using the manual version on Linux, and we downloaded it on a CentOS 9 box. So now we can see the interface. Welcome to Nagios XI. Looking around the dashboard, we can find a few things such as the home dashboard, trial resources, getting started, and administrative tasks. What we want to do first is go to the left side and click Admin. In Admin settings, we want to go to System Config. Then we can click on Email Settings. For the outbound mail settings, we could see that the send from email is root at localhost. We will be changing this to SMTP using basic auth. You could also use Gmail or Microsoft using OAuth, but in today's example, we're just going to be using the SMTP settings. After clicking that, we see some SMTP settings that populate below, such as host, port, username, password, and security type. For our example, we're going to be typing in smtp.gmail.com. And for the port, if you don't know the port for Gmail, it's going to be 587, but you could do a quick Google search to find the port number. And for the username, you're going to use the email that you're going to use to send from Nagios XI to your main email. So in my example, it's going to be nagiostester123@gmail.com. And on top, we want to change the send from email because XI is going to use this email to send to other emails when the notification comes in. So I'll change this to the same email that I just used previously, which is nagiostester123@gmail.com. And it should look something like that. And for the password, we're going to be entering in an app secure password. To do that, we need to go to our Gmail account, which we have here. You want to click on Google Accounts, then click on Manage Google Account. From here, go to Security, and make sure if you're using Gmail, you have to have two-step verification enabled before you continue to the next step. And after you've signed in, you should have a page that looks similar to this. What we want to do next is click App Passwords, and from here, you're going to specify an app name. For instance, I'm going to say XI Series. And then on the bottom, you want to press Create. This will pop up an app password that you can use in Nagios XI. So we're going to copy and paste this password into Nagios XI. Make sure to secure this password in a safe location because you don't want anyone else knowing this password. Now going back to Nagios XI, we can paste that password in here. Once you have pasted your password, double check that there's no spaces because that could throw off the password as well. Next, what we want to do is select the security type, which is going to be TLS, and then we'll click Update Settings. And once we have updated our email settings, before sending a test email, make sure that you have an email set into the account. And to find that, we go into the top right corner, hit the little person icon, then click Account Settings. Here you could see an email address field. Root at localhost is going to be there by default. You want to change this to something where you want to get notifications too. In my case, I'll change it to my first initial, last name, @nagios.com. To save the email address, you want to make sure to put in the current password for the Nagios XI box. And then at the bottom of the page, we want to click Update Settings. And now that we've changed the email address, you want to go back to Admin, then Email Settings. And now you want to click Send a Test Email. And now we see that a test email has been sent to our email. Now we're going to go check just to make sure that we got an email. And look at that, we now got a test email, so now we're going to get notified anytime something happens in Nagios XI. And now you've successfully set up email notifications in Nagios XI. Stay tuned for our next episode where we will be adding our first host. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.